So today, guys, I'll be doing a tutorial. Yeah, die. If you don't want to go to the salons, for be relevant, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sins and I'm back again. I hope nani right, ni relevant, ni so guide, ni superficial, aspaladacious. Abasha, sanamugela. I'm retaining, cala kuma comment, bathi hure, sibona ukuthi hayi ni makhili register ni present ni khona. Asibangene, nginibonise. People, yeah, sisla. So today we'll be doing a tutorial, dye, how to dye yourself at home. Cause wow, guys, I'm a saluna. No, I'm a saluna. I'm a saluna. Ayas we cannot can. Cause for instance, dye a salon boma 80 rand, and also my log washer, which is 30 rand, which is 910, and then the Mali labor. So, but I'm close to 150, 180 a salon if you to die in club. Even worse if if maybe you want a color a bit bright, you're gonna start by bleaching, then it died. It's just too much, guys. It's just too much. So I was like, you know what? No, I cannot do this thing. So if you want I'll phone or salon because of imad or whatever reasons, or salon is or whatever, or I'll phone you blog. You can. This video is for you. This tutorial is for you. So yeah, I bought this dye a ShopRite. Agang padalang ShopRite, it's not agang sponsor siyang agsipro ang instagalan siya das kaya ShopRite. So can you imagine? A salon it's 180, and then a ShopRite it's 30 rand, and then you do it yourself, and then alright. Ngaleya 180 leya bozo ipatala la pe salon. Gubuthole amayingaphi? Gubuthole ayingakhi? Sure. I don't know about the color, as I just wanted something. I don't want to red, and I don't want even darkish. Even in between. I'm just exploring. I don't even know what's in Funibenjan, but I just know that I want to change this color. This color, December pale lemons, but we color December. So say yeah, Puma. So I just want something not too loud, but not too quiet, but yabo big nas no. It's subtle. So let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. So I go. And then it's open. How? But I don't have time. I don't have time to fight for customer extended. I don't have that time. I want to do my hair. So this is what you get inside. Hope you see it. This is what you get. You get a conditioner. Oh, I'm lucky because the conditioner I left it at home. We have your gloves. I'm gonna mix, and then I'm gonna show you how to mix, and then we're gonna do the situation. So now we hlanganisa. Let me see how long do you wait. 20 to 30 minutes time. Then after that we wash. So let me set my timer. So I hope you see this. I'm gonna set 25. I initially said 20 to 30. I'm gonna set 25. It's 25. So the time is ticking. So meanwhile, you can do whatever you wanna do. You can just watch Netflix. If anything. You can grab coffee, juice, beer, water, read a book. 30 minutes, then it's alright.
Sunlight liquid.
Shampoo. Homemade shampoo. Like, I guess it's Japanese sunlight.
Final look. Yeah, easy. So next time Nanin is black. I hope ni right. I hope ni relevant. I hope ni so kaido ni super practical aspalacious. From me to you. I'm out. So bye.